Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best portable car jump starters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable car jump starters that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Schumacher SJ1332 Rechargeable AGM Jump Starter. Schumacher makes some of the best heavy-duty lead-acid powered jump starters, and the SJ1332 is no exception. It can deliver 1200 peak amps, good enough to jump start a gasoline engine up to 8.0 liter and a 6.0 liter diesel. It's pretty darn powerful. Apart from having a USB port and 12-volt DC outlets like most common portable jump starters, it also has a 400-watt AC power inverter powering 2 household-style outlets, making it quite handy to power up small appliances when camping or at your next tailgate party. You might find it a bit bulky compared to the previous ones on this list, but it's worth mentioning that it comes with a practical 150 psi air compressor to inflate car tires, but also inflatable mattresses and such. All these features make it ideal for overlanding and adventure enthusiasts alike. It's also worth noting that the Schumacher SJ1332 uses an AGM-type lead-acid battery, which will last longer than most and provide a lower discharge rate than regular lead-acid models. Moving on at number 4, we have the Clore Automotive Booster Pack ES5000 Jump Starter. Clore Automotive has been in the game for quite some time, making excellent lead-acid portable jump starters since it introduced the famous Jump and Carry model back in 1993. Although that model is still on sale today, the company also offers a more compact version known as the Booster Pack ES5000. This newer, but still kinda old school, model produces 400 cranking amps and 1500 peak amps, capable of light and heavy-duty use. In addition, it has tough built and corrosion-resistant hot jaw clamps and quite handy 43 inches long cables. Unlike other lead-acid jump starters that are not happy being charged for too long, the Booster Pack ES5000 has an automatic recharging system. This meant the battery would be protected from overcharging, so you'll be okay leaving it plugged in over a long period. In fact, the Pack ES5000 is one of the most widely used booster packs by repair shops exactly because it can be left plugged in, so it's always ready to take whatever you throw at it. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a shame that it only has an old-fashioned 12-volt DC outlet instead of a USB port. But the overall product quality is still undoubtedly incredible, and it will last you for years. At number 3, we have the Stanley Jumpit J59 Jump Starter. The Stanley Jumpit J59 is an affordable heavy-duty portable jump starter geared towards medium-heavy truck owners. It has a powerful 500 cranking amps, and it goes up to 1000 amps at peak. And indeed, you can use it on your small, medium-sized cars, SUVs too. While it's not the most portable, it's still one of the most user-friendly lead-acid jump starters out there. It's even made foolproof by having a reverse polarity alarm that alerts you if you hook the clamps to the wrong terminal. Furthermore, it has durable powder-coated metal clamps, a handy built-in USB port, a 12-volt DC outlet, and rotating LED work lights to assist you in the dark. However, you'll need to purchase a standard household extension cord separately as it doesn't come with a power cord. The lack of a power cord comes in handy when using it, though. A built-in power cord would always get in the way otherwise. And keep in mind to charge it somewhat frequently when not in use, as it has a slightly high discharge rate. But considering the excellent value for money, these minor drawbacks are well worth living with. At number 2, we have the Hulkman Alpha 85 Jump Starter. It's easy to recommend the Hulkman Alpha 85, as it offers tons of features in one compact device that fits in your glove box, and it's super cheap. And don't be fooled by its small size. This lithium-ion jump starter offers 2000 peak cranking amps, good enough to start an engine as big as an 8.5-liter gasoline model or 6.0-liter diesel. Moreover, the manufacturer claims it can perform up to 60 jump starts over a single charge. Safety-wise, this is also one of the safest jump-starting devices on this list. It has spark-proof technology and several other protection bits, such as reverse polarity, reverse charge, overcharge, overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and high-low temperature protection. Yep, that's a lot of protection. These features work together to cut the electric current if the clamps are installed incorrectly or if the smart protection module detects any potential problem. You'll also be pleased to know it can double itself as a power bank. It has a massive battery capacity of 20,000 mAh, helping you charge mobile devices and pretty much any small electronics. There are 2 built-in USB ports, a 12-volt DC outlet, and a flashlight too. Moreover, it's the only device on this list that features a fast charging technology, with a claimed 0 to 100% charging time of only 1.5 hours, thanks to the company's patented 65W speed charge. The list of features could go on, and we are kinda surprised it's still one of the most affordable portable jump starters on this list. It's simply perfect as a fail-safe. If you need a jump starter, just in case, just get this one, leave it in your glove box and forget about it. You'll thank us next time your car doesn't start. And finally, at number 1, we have the Noco Boost Plus Lithium Jump Starter. The Noco Boost Plus GB40 is another compact lithium-ion jump starter packed with plenty of punch. It's shaped similarly to the Hulkman Alpha 85 but slightly smaller. However, small doesn't mean weak here. Thanks to the 1000 peak amps, it will easily jump start gasoline engines up to 6.0-liter and diesel engines up to 3.0-liter. Noco also claims it should be able to perform about 20 jump starts on a single charge. In terms of safety, it comes with reverse polarity protection and spark-proof clamps, and just like the Hulkman, it's also built tough and has an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance. Furthermore, there is a built-in 2.1A USB port and a 100-lumen LED flashlight with 6 brightness modes. But don't rely on it for too long, though, as the power bank has a lower 2150 mAh capacity.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.